Okay, I am up. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm up having my coffee. Mm, nice hot coffee, strong coffee. Anyway, we have a slight problem this morning. I was planning on heading out of this campsite so I don't use up all my days here, but we have a very, very slight problem, and it's going to be a big conundrum for me and a big decision. Anyway, let's show you around and show you what's happening here, okay? Alrighty, let me just get this together here. Alright, there's my coffee. There's leftover dinner from last night. Chicken. Now we have a slight problem. Check out there. Oh my God, we got snow again. Why? Why? It's supposed to be springtime. Oh my God. This is crazy. So let's go out and show you around. See if I can step over all this crap here. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. There's like, maybe eighth of an inch here. 1/8 of an inch. This is nuts. It's not supposed to be snowing here again this year. Oh my God, look at this. We're still at Rathswever Beach at the campground here. Wow. It's really, really fine, powdery, dry snow, so it might have a tendency to stick around for a bit. And just as predicted, yesterday they predicted it. It was going to snow today. Might snow for 2 days. And we're expecting apparently between 5 and 15 centimeters. So, oh my God, I'm out here in my t-shirt for some stupid reason. Look at this. The road's not so bad. And on the road, it's, like I said, very, very dry snow. So this could be good. Okay for driving, and it's a wet, slushy, crappy snow that you don't want to drive in. You slide all over the place. But this is a bit of a conundrum for me because I don't know how much snow we're getting, and I don't want to drive in this stuff at all. The truck can handle the snow fairly well, but when I'm hauling this camper, I got such a huge slide factor, it's not funny. So I have no idea what we're going to do today, and it's windy down at the beach. Like, I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear that? Very, very windy down at the beach. Snow's coming down. It's actually coming down quite hard for this area. And I just don't know. Just don't know what we're going to do. So, oh my God, I wanted to hit the road. I wanted to get out there and go move around, find another spot and do some more traveling and stuff. But I have no clue. No freaking clue what I'm going to do now. I got a feeling I'm just going to hunker down here for the day. Maybe book another day and just see what happens. I'm not looking forward to hitting the road in this stuff. And last night I hooked up my trailer and everything for ready to haul out this morning. So I'm not quite sure. So let's go back in and grab some coffee and just kind of think about this. I just don't know. And I also got to throw a coat on and get the girls out here. So let's try and do that too. So here we go. I got my toque on. I got my scarf on. And I'm wearing my beautiful, beautiful brand new down-filled jacket. It's a beautiful jacket that I got from one of my good subscribers out there. Gave me this beautiful down jacket for the winter. Just in time, too, for another winter this year. Anyway, we got to get these girls out. Let them stretch their legs and do their stuff. So, let's get out and do that. Come on, girls. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Come on. Outside. Come on, girls. Come on, baby. Outside. Come on. Come on. She doesn't want to go out. Okay, we'll let the little monkey out. Look at that. I swept the stairs and everything just a few minutes ago, and it's building up already. Wow. Come on outside, baby. Let's go. Come on. Get out. There we go. There we go. I can let them off leash because there's absolutely nobody here. Everyone was here for the long weekend we had, family day or whatever it was. And now everyone's gone. They've been gone for almost 2 days now. Come here. Yep, good girls, good girls. Stay over there. Yeah. Yeah, so everyone's gone. There's nobody here. The dogs can run free a little bit for a minute, do their business, and we'll check out this snowstorm. This is crazy, just crazy. Just absolutely crazy. Yeah. Absolutely crazy. Come here, girls. Come on. Up in the house. Up in the house. Let's go. So how special can this be? Someone delivered me 2 dozen fresh duck eggs this morning right to my door at Rathtrevor Beach at my campsite here. This is fantastic. And this is J&K Farm Stand in Qualicum Bay. If you're ever in Qualicum Bay, Google them, J&K Farm Stand, and you can get real beautiful fresh duck eggs there and chicken eggs and a whole bunch of good stuff like jams and jellies and that. So check them out, okay? Ciao. So it's getting to be quite the winter wonderland here. Quite the winter wonderland here. Well, look at this. Look at this. Snow everywhere. Getting about half an inch deep now. And still coming down. Still coming down. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful winter wonderland. Yeah, look at that. Look at that tiny house with the snow on the roof and the smoke coming out the chimney. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. I kind of like it. It's pretty and all, but I don't want to get stuck in this campground and use up all my days and then being snowed in and then also having to pay for extra days if I do get snowed in, because I've run out of my 14 days, so almost run out. So that could be a problem, an issue. But this is gorgeous, isn't it? Just gorgeous. Tiny house on wheels and snow on the roof and smoke coming out the chimney. Okay, ciao for now. So I've made kind of an executive decision. I've decided we're going to haul out of here and go find another place like up at the Qualicum Seawall Beach there, or somewhere there. Not so much snow right now. I hear it's not snowing the other side of the north side of Parksville yet. But anyway, we're gonna see what we can do, get out of here, find another spot, because I can't afford to be stuck here paying for a spot if I get snowed in here over too many days. So I don't know. It's an executive decision I'm making, but I don't know. It might be the wrong one. I don't know. But that's part of the adventure, isn't it? Let's go see what trouble we can get into. Oh my God. Let's go. Ciao. Definitely a lot less snow up this way into Qualicum here. A lot less snow. Yeah. It's coming up from the south going north, so it will be coming, but there's definitely less snow up at Qualicum Beach area up here, so we're gonna probably go down by the seawall again, park there where it's kind of a lot safer down there and everything. But anyway, let's keep moving. Ciao. So as you can see, there's virtually no snow here whatsoever. Almost no snow. It's kind of trying to be a mix of rain and snow. And as you notice, up there where I was parked before, along the seawall there, they're still doing construction work there. They got all their construction vehicles there. So I can't park in the linear parking there. So kind of parked in right here on an angle parking, but as you can see, I'm well within the white line here, so it's no big deal. So this is actually perfect. Perfecto. Look at all the snow we brought from Rath Trevor. But yeah, this is beautiful here, beautiful here. No snow yet, and it's a really blustery day. So this could be a great place to hunker down and just park for overnight. And hopefully the snow won't come, and if it does, well, I guess we're stuck here at the beach, which is a nicer place. Okay, we got to go get the girls out of the truck and let them run around the beach for a bit. Ciao. Boy, that was one cold walk out there. Wow, freezing, but what a beautiful sight from the little camper window here, eh? What a gorgeous sight. That is too beautiful. A little rain on the window, but what a gorgeous sight, huh? Isn't that beautiful? We got the little wood stove going in here, nice and toasty. We'll sit here and watch the surf and the birds and stuff. Yeah, here we go. There's one. There's two. Nice and warm now, girls, eh? Yeah. Ciao. Yeah, that's chilly out there today. It's nice and toasty in here now. We got the wood stove going. I'm having a nice hot cup of joe. I love it. And then we're just going to sit here and watch the weather transpire around here. Good coffee, good coffee. Yep, we're just going to watch the weather out here. See what's going on outside. See that, eh? No snow, just kind of trying to snow, trying to rain. I don't know what's going on. But beautiful, eh? Beautiful. Look at that. What a beautiful view, eh? Yep, and nice to sit here and watch this view and hunker down with a nice cup of joe. Yeah. Whoa, someone's barking. What's going on, girls? Is someone in your... someone in your world? Someone in your world? You don't own the planet, you know that, right? People are allowed to do stuff. Okay, let's just sit here and relax. Ciao.